Colour is really powerful. It's actually transformational. When you put the right colour on someone, they smile. It's instant. What does a colour analyst do? We actually help people to look their most attractive, to feel fabulous, happy and confident. We're absorbing colour all the time through our eyes, affecting our hormones, affecting our moods. It can change the way someone feels about themselves. Colour skills you can use in so many different professions. If you want to be a stylist, obviously it's a really incredible skill to add going into the world of beauty and makeup. Any of those creative arts will benefit from understanding how colour works. When you put the right colours up against the skin, you make the complexion look even and healthy and youthful with that glow. So the online course at LCS teaches the principles of colour analysis. You get taken through steps where you end up feeling colour confident. What you will learn is the practical side, how you match underlying skin tones with inherited skin colour. And you will also learn about the fascinating subject of colour psychology and how the personality actually ties in with the colours that you wear. LCS Online provides you with all the support that you need. What's so important about the LCS tutors is they're actually in the industry now. Anyone of any age can live a life in colour. Always wear the colours that really make you feel happy. My favourite colour? It has to be orange and shades of orange. It's the colour of sociability, happiness, fun-loving and adventure.